Oil pressure and temperature can be monitored using the Insight service tool. To measure the pressure difference across the filter, a filter in pressure port and a filter out pressure port are integral parts of the filter head. Pre-lubing the engine is recommended before starting. Industrial engines require the use of a pre-luber. The pre-luber is also an option on some genset applications. If the engine is not equipped with a pre-luber, oil and coolant heaters can be utilized to improve lubrication at engine startup. Engines used in genset applications that do not have a pre-luber must be primed before operating the engine after an extended shutdown period. If the Sentinel system is equipped with a makeup tank, the system must be primed to operate correctly. Priming is necessary when the Sentinel system is first installed or anytime air is admitted into the control valve body. Remove the fresh oil supply line from the control valve body. Gravity forces oil through the fresh oil supply line to the control valve body. When the oil from the oil supply is flowing and free of air, connect the line to the valve body. The system is now primed. The operating indicator on the end of the eliminator housing indicates if the hydraulic motor is functioning correctly. With the engine running, time how long it takes for the indicator to make one complete revolution. At idle, this should take a maximum of 10 minutes. At rated engine speed, this should take a maximum of 5 minutes. If the operating indicator does not rotate or the time for one revolution is more than 5 or 10 minutes, refer to the troubleshooting procedures in the eliminator service literature. To install the lubricating oil pump on a QSK 45 or QSK 60 engine, place the pump against the pan rail at the front of the engine block. When reinstalling a pump, be sure to use the same thickness shims between the pump and the pan rail that were used when the pump was removed from the engine. Align the diamond dowel and the ring dowel on the mounting pad faces of the oil pump with the dowel holes in the pan rail. This ensures correct alignment between the crankshaft gear and the oil pump idler gear. Measure the backlash between the crankshaft gear and the oil pump idler gear. If the backlash is below specification, shims can be installed between the joint connecting the oil pump to the pan rail. Always install shims of the same thickness in pairs, one on the left mounting pad and one on the right mounting pad of the oil pump.